Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to clean your AirPods Pro second. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's talk about how to not clean your headphones. The first thing is never put them in the water, because it can cause serious damage to your headphones because they are not waterproof. The second thing is, while cleaning your case or headphones, make sure to not get any liquid in the openings. And the last thing is never use sharp objects or abrasive materials to clean your headphones. And now I will show you how to clean them right. Today, for cleaning my headphones, I will use an alcohol wipe. Firstly, let's clean the case. Firstly, we can clean these holes for the AirPods, but never go deep into the hole because there's some contacts which is charging your headphones. Also, we can clean the lid and the charging case by itself. But be really careful with the openings. Go around them. And now I will show you how to clean your earbuds. I turned off the neon lighting so you can better see my hand movements. Firstly, we would need to take this earpiece off and gently pull, like this. While we will cleaning the earbud, we can't touch this part, or it can be damaged. After this, we can clean the earpiece by itself, but we also do not touch this part right here. And now just do the same with the second earbud. And now we need to put the earpieces back. We just gently pull on them until we hear a click, and now they're fixed well. And that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.